Today we're actually going to be reviewing this little lady who is Carrie, the lace front synthetic wig in the color Butterscotch, which is 24B 18T. So you have this 24 base with these gorgeous 18 highlights, and then it even gets lighter down at the tips with that gorgeous 18 color. Super beautiful color, excellent for our transitioning into fall. And trust me, I am digging this color. Let's get into this review. Now, she initially came with about an inch of lace on the front. I want to get up and close and personal with y'all so you can see this lace front. Look at how realistic that is. The lace goes from here to here. It even has a little arced area, which gives a really realistic hairline. I'm really liking this color. She weighs a total of 6.7 ounces, but I have to tell you, she's not heavy on my head. There is absolutely no permatease in her at all. Her bangs are 5.5 inches. She is 16 inches from the crown, 17 from the top. Her sides are 10.5 inches, and then her nape is 15, which means a whole lot of gorgeous color and style. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360, and then we'll get into the construction and color comparison with her sister. She's pretty, huh? I know, I say that to all the girls, but she really is. I absolutely love the style on this piece. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the cap and show you her construction. Now, on the lace front, you have your lace front that goes probably about 6 inches across there, and then you have this deep parting space. Deep mono part. You can part it anywhere in that area. She is an open wefted cap. She has the velveteen ear tabs and then the Velcro adjustable straps. So let's go ahead and pull her sister off and remind you of how she's constructed. She is a basic cap, open wefted. She has the pull adjustable straps, and then she has the standard adjustable ear tabs. No lace front, still a beautiful unit. So she is in the color Almond Frost, and then this is the Butterscotch. So now you can get a good idea in the difference of the colors of these two pieces. I have to say, I think it's really worth the upgrade to go to a lace front piece. I also have to tell you, I'm pretty impressed with the fibers. Now, I did go ahead and wash these prior to doing the reviews, and the fibers are really, really well put into this piece. I didn't get any shedding, really had no issues with it at all.